went to Home Depot. I gotta get something for my camera. I'm missing a piece. It's right there. That screw that goes to there. I need to mount the plate for the stabilizer, hella wrench it. Something like this. Boy, you know where the fuck I'm at. We're here, baby. Let's get it. I don't even know if anybody picking me up. I'll call Uber. I don't give a fuck. Hey, baby. Bet you I'm gonna find him right now in the high limit. My boy Corey, this is the one he hit on for 120 bands 2 years ago.
$11,000, $12,000.
It's 6 numbers.
What? Oh, it says jackpot. So it wins 119,000.
Get the fuck out of here.
It's 119,000. Are you fucking kidding me?
Guess you're staying in the week, huh?
Dude, I just won the fucking.
Oh, baby, we back in business. We actually talking like we back in business.
So good.
You gotta get Hey! Bro, he still got the coat on.
Come on. I just got out of bed, bro.
For real?
It's been a
I just got out of jail. No. Room service, motherfuckers.
Look, I had the lady fucking because they don't bring it up. They had to bring one.
Cheers, dog. I made
You
it.
gotta open that shit, kid.
Hey, what's up? Corey's gonna show us a fucking amazing bullshit magic trick, okay?
Yeah, we're just gonna.
I feel it. Okay, he's gonna fucking mix the shuffled face up and face down together, okay? Watching this. And I bet he's gonna fucking throw it all over the floor and tell me to pick it up.
Already fucked up.
You know what's crazy? He's done this.
Oh, what happened, guys? Come on, guys! Stop playing with me, dog. You wanna see my off-whites too, kid? Stop fucking with me, kid. Come on. Come on. You want me to fucking jump in these motherfuckers?
Go. Okay, spin that
Come
bitch.
on, kid.
Okay, bust all cool. Grand.
Oh.
Bust all cool.
Come on, baby.
Brick houses, come on.
This set my head.
Okay. Right there. Okay. We need the bricks. Yeah, bricks. We got 2 brick houses.
Come on.
We're gonna get more right now.
Come on. Oh.
Okay. Yeah.
Let's go. Come on. You're good at this.
Yeah, bro. Oh, that should have been done.
Fucking playing.
Look at. Break it up.
Oh.
Break it up.
This shit gonna hit, guys. The whole foot.
Look at that. Home Alone houses, bro. Minis. Okay, whatever. That's cool.
Bullshit. I'm fucking pissed about this. It's not a hammer.
It's not, but I guess cool. It's under. It's under $20. All right, we left the Mandalay Bay. We're at MGM Park right now. The boys need to make a comeback because it's not looking so good for right now.
I just stepped in, so it must be hot. Hey, boy, I got a Glock in this LV lunchbox. She ain't tryna come and give me strips, she's a punk rock. Try and play me and get jump shot. For that paper, we gon' walk up in your house like I'm a spirit. I get bands just to talk, you ain't even gotta hear it. If I see a sucker in the crowd, then I'ma clear it.
Back in the hotel, it's been I don't know how many hours we've been here for. 5 hours. It's been an adventure so far. I think it's time to get some actual rest because tomorrow we're actually gonna do SEMA. I'm gonna wake up early. I'm gonna run through that bitch, film that motherfucker. This guy over here.
I fucking love the ambition. We ain't waking up.
I'm waking up.
Check this.
I didn't do
pimp.
SEMA
Hey,
last year, bro.
check this pimp code out.
I see it.
Look at this shit, kid.
I just woke up. This fucking guy has the AC on 30 to 40. Go in there. Good morning. Good morning, by the way.
Hi, everybody. Yeah,
Okay,
I
what-
gotta see it for myself.
He's got the
There's
jacket
no way
on.
I have to dress because it is that cold. Now go in that room and crack the door. I got it like cherry over there.
And on top of that, there's no blanket. Is there a body there? It's oh, fuck, it's moving. I don't know what he said, but I think he said, Let's open up these fucking curtains. All right, I got this wrong last time. Let's see if I can do it the first time. Got it. Long overdue. This nigga needs to wake up.
Fucking bed, bro. Get the
Fuck up, nigga. Where you at?
Oh, let's get on the boat.
Yeah,
You're right.
That's the energy we need. My man!
I need to fucking
Grab the back of his head.
ease it in.
3.
Get the fuck.
Well, this shit's gonna hurt my ass.
No more than I will.
Oh, Zach's back.
All right, this shit is RIP, but you know what? It has a little bit of life to it. We're gonna rock with it today. Hopefully, she does good for one last hoorah. Let's get dressed, get the fuck out of here. All right, we finally made it out the fucking room. I'm not gonna say what time it is, but it's early. It's early enough. And we're gonna go check some shit out right now. Yeah, nah, I don't think the burrito and the coffee is a good mix. This guy.
They slam, huh?
Electric key, yeah, electronic key.
All these luxurious cars in valet. Yeah, that's us.
Bro, let's get these hats over.
Holy shit.
If you have any, bowel movements or you never know. In your pants, you got
Send her overboard.
Yeah.
We got flares and stuff too.
Little shits you got,
Just waiting on my ride right now. My ride should show up any minute. See that?
We got places to go.
What's the rules?
Fucking do whatever you want.
And just grabbing people's nuts.
I see you looking back. We got room for one more. Up in our standards again, then you're not welcome.
The 5-0's behind you, hit the gas. And be hottie 5 on they fucking ass. That's my slogan, my motherfucking MO. Whether it's a bitch shit, mine or rental. Ride like an nigga tomorrow, bet. But yet it's still like PSD the driver. Just sneak right behind him.
They're doing all the F1 shit. My fucking hat is full.
We're gonna hit a lift.
Hopefully it's not ran over too bad.
We all down is driving skills. Those are not moving in the house like one wheels. Sideways, just move that out. In the back, shut up. Fast, stand on the side. Put the gas on the side. Check out some flash. 30 days I get on the flash. Come on, right side, now I'm fit. Straight on the flash, I've been running streets. I got
Dude, you did that.
I know I'm a little chubby, but I still move around all right. I don't bite, but I do nibble. If you're into it. Yeah. We're moving a bunch of coke in this thing. Yeah, Cuba. What up, Stevie? Good to see you out here, buddy. Yeah. Can we give you a ride up? Hey, you. Get on the bow. Get on my bow. Yeah. Get on my bow and take a selfie. Stand on the bow. Get on my bow and take a fucking selfie. Now. Yeah, there you go. Thank you.
Insurance good tax, but I got no L's. Strategy, I want no bill. Banana in the tail. Pipe jacking in your canal. Yeah, weed with the cannabis cord. Lights in my mouth. I had to eat about 6 of them. So I'm getting goddamn red. No pulling over, cause police don't scare me. Double taking and looking, I'm booking out there. He try to pull me over on a GP style. Never show a nigga
gonna do.
I'm gonna give it to you for me. Cheap for me.
That's right. Can we park right here though, up front? I got it, Corey. We're
I got
crazy
it.
people.
What if we give you a little more? Can we just park it up front?
Go next door.
No, we want people to see it. We want
How about right there? Go next door.
whatever.
Alright, I got a wristband. Shout out to Jose. I got the old trusty stabilizer. This is my last rodeo with this setup. What a better way to end it here at SEMA. That fucking truck, that truck fucked me up last year. And I'm wearing a white shirt right now. It's hella cars from Australia, but this truck can go hella crazy. It ain't no way in hell you got all this room and you're gonna go and kick it off right in front of my face. Look how fast I run right now. I'm booking it all the way to the right so I don't get blasted. If anybody was at the show and seen me running, please send me the footage. I really want to see how fast I was moving. But you gotta see the back of this shirt, man. The back of my shirt was like the ground. That shit was crazy. Texas get down right here. That's crazy. That shit's dope. This show right here took up most of my time. I'm covered in fucking tire. I smell like a fucking tire. I love